Welcome back. And now in this lecture we shall study about CSS animation. Think of a cartoon. Each frame slightly changes, creating the illusion of motion. CSS animation work the same way by smoothly changing style over time. Instead of using JavaScript, you can animate HTML elements with just few lines of CSS. Animation makes your site feel lively, interactive, and modern. Whether you are making button bounce and banners fade in. Here's a simple example. We define how the animation moves from one style to another using aggregate keyframe. Then apply it to an element with the animation property. This makes the box in from the left and the fade in at the same time. Super easy. Now let's talk about animation property. Duration, timing function and iteration count. Duration, how long the animation takes. 1 second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Timing function mean speed pattern. Each linear, each in, each out, each in, out. Iteration count, how many times it run. 1 infinite extra. The properties control how fast and how often animation plays. Want a looping animation, use infinite. Want it to feel smooth, use ease in, out. When to use animation, grab user attention, call to action button, smooth transition between sections, add personality to website. But remember, less is more. Use animation to enhance the experience, not distract. Think of them as a final touch that makes your site feel alive and polished.